Good evening, everyone. This is a Hello Kitty mystery snack box my husband picked up for me. This is from the World Market. World Market is a grocery store with food from all over the world. Pretty sure you could find this on Amazon, and this is probably like a monthly subscription box. I've got one of these before from World Market. The box was different. It was from a couple years ago. My nieces opened it with me and we did a taste test. I'll link that video down below. This is just me strictly opening the video. I'm not tasting anything right now. Last time we ate everything in one sitting, I kind of want whatever's in here to last a while. So just showing you what it is, no taste test today. So there was a piece of tape. I already cut that to make it a little easier opening it, but this is the first time opening it. Oh, wow. All right, is that okay? Here we go. These are some little crispy little, that looks like they have sugar on it, so we'll say this is a sweet snack. A Hello Kitty moon pie. It's cute for wrapping. It's called a Lottie pie. Some kind of strawberry caramel Sakura mochi flavor. That's cool. I actually love flavored Kit Kats. We do have a Chinese grocery store in the St. Louis area that carries all the different Kit Kat flavors because they import it. And so we go like twice a year. So I have got addicted to different flavored Kit Kats. You can't find, in the United States, you can't find flavored Kit Kats in a regular grocery store. You have to go to a foreign themed grocery store. So very nice. Excuse me, my allergies are acting up, so I do sound a little congested. These are, ooh, this is another cute wrapper, and these are just little hard candies, probably just like sugar hard candy. Is that a watermelon? So maybe they're watermelon flavored. What is this? Just some kind of wafer thin cookie. All right, so this is not Hello Kitty. Not everything is Hello Kitty, but still a cute wrapping. It is some kind of jelly snack. That is interesting. This, not my favorite, seasoned seaweed, but yeah, I don't really like these little wafer seasoned seaweed, but you know what? I guess if I wanted to make some sushi at home, I could use those as topping. Some more, yeah, these are soft jelly flavored candies. Well, this is different. This is a large, so you can see where it looks like a chocolate bar. It feels like a chocolate bar, so, but it's not heavy, so it must be like a crisp, like a lightweight chocolate. That's interesting. The little biscuits with strawberry cream. What are these called? Pokey Sticks. That's a cute little packaging. Salted egg yolk flavor. Oh, so what is that? Gudetama? Okay, I am actually excited about these. I love anything with eggs in it. Salted egg yolk flavor. I might come back and try this on camera. Some more Pokey Sticks. These are chocolate cream. The other one was strawberry. More of those flavored Kit Kats. It's all the same. It's the Sakura mochi flavored. A big box of chocolate biscuits. Those look really good. And then two, and these are heavy. This is why, like, if you order this online, the shipping would probably be high because this is a glass bottle. One of those glass bottles where my nieces love this because there's like a glass ball right here. You have to push it down. So it's just ramen, soda, carbonate, soft drink. So it's just like carbonated water. And then this one looks a little yellow. This one's pineapple flavored. This one didn't say that it was flavored. But yeah, they do love the little marbles, and it says with marble, so I don't understand the point of the marble. If you know why the heck there's a marble in the bottle, let me know. But Kids seem to love it. All right, so those two made it heavy. You know, it's definitely, I love it because there's all kinds of different snacks. Pretty sure my husband paid $39.99 for this. So I wouldn't necessarily say it's $39 worth of snacks, but when you take into account they're all from a different country, I still say it's worth it because I enjoy, you know, oatmealies and just enjoying different, I love snacks from different countries. So, and since I can't really fly anywhere right now, I get a little international flavor at home. And then it comes in a nice box, and I keep these boxes, and I just, once they're empty, I just use it to store like my papers and stuff. So yeah, there it is. Hello Kitty mystery snack box. If you're in the USA, you don't want to pay for shipping, Google to see if you have a World Market near you. This is where I found this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.